everyone, my name's Louisa Penfold and I am really looking forward to coming to Chicago to present my workshop on contemporary art and children's play. In this full day hands-on session, we will be starting off talking about like different philosophies for connecting contemporary art and young children's learning. We'll be looking at different ways that different artists have explored materials, and how we can kind of take that experimentation and use it to support children's creativity and play through their interaction with materials. Session will be broken up into 4 mini workshops, and each of those workshops will dig into a different material, look at different artists, do different like hands-on play provocations. So the first workshop will be around cardboard as a creative material, and we'll be exploring the concept of construction and sculpture making, 3D forms. We will then be digging into sound as a creative material and be creating different like sound sculpture provocations. We will then have 2 further sessions, one which is on performance art, which will be looking at different using the body as a material for making sculptures, for creative movement and creative choreography. And the day will wind up looking at textiles.